Hey everybody. Last time I showed you how to make a Windows installation USB, and this time I'm going to show you how to install files on a locked Windows computer using that installation USB. So first, I've prepared a couple of payloads and some batch files that would allow you to run programs on a computer from a locked state. And we're going to go ahead and select our Windows installation USB. And we're going to move those over. So this is our proof of concept test that we're doing. And basically we're going to load this onto the computer so that it will pop up every time the computer's logged into. Here's a couple of other more advanced files that you can use. This is actually a Monero miner. We're not going to be doing that in the tutorial today. However, you can load a miner on someone's computer while it's locked using this method. Today I'm also going to show you how you can protect your computer against this method. So from here, all we really need to do is shut down our computer and restart it and boot from the flash drive. So you're going to want to go ahead and restart. And once you've restarted, you want to enter your boot menu. And then you want to boot from your flash drive. Enter whichever bit system you're using. Alright, once it is loaded up, you want to hit Shift and F10 to pull up a command prompt. Now, to run the program we made, you're going to want to hit D:// if I could type, reminderhack.bat, which will open it in Notepad, but it will also copy that file to the startup folder. And all you have to do is restart the computer. And just wait a few seconds. Now this is going to work on all of the different users on the computer as well. So there it is. So to prove this, I went ahead and made a guest account on here. I'm going to go ahead and log into that. If I could type, and it's going to pop up on that one too. Now you can use this method to install just about any program. You could install a remote administration tool. You could install a stealth miner. You could install a lot of different programs using this method. You don't even have to log into the computer. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to protect yourself from this. So you're going to want to go ahead and restart. And on this computer, your BIOS settings menu is F2. So you're going to want to hit F2 on boot up and go to the security tab and create a new administrator password. Hit enter, confirm it by entering it again, and then save and exit. Now if we try to do this again, it won't let us boot into it. Let's try that one more time. I'm going to go directly into the BIOS menu, which is where you set this, set your boot order in general. Won't let you. Won't let you at all. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the password. And then I'm going to exit back out. I'm going to try and get to that boot menu again. Still asks for a password. So this is how you protect yourself from having files loaded onto your computer while it's shut off. If that was helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in next time for the next video.